Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Storyteller by Behraz, and welcome to my fifth lecture. And in this lecture, I am going to talking about voice over IP and multimedia support. So let's start our video. The session initiation protocol SIP stand for the session initiation protocol designed in RFC 3261 is an application level control protocol for setting up, modifying and terminating real time session between participants over an IP data network. The key driving force behind SIP is to enable internet telephone, also referred to a voice over IP. SIP can support any type of signals, media or multimedia session include teleconferencing. SIP support five facts of establishing and terminating multimedia communication. So first is use location. User can move to other locations and access their telephony or other application feature from a remote location. User availability, determination of the willingness of the called party to engage in communication. User capabilities, determination of the media and media parameters to be used, session setup point to point and multi-party cell with agreed session parameters. Session assignments including transfer and termination of session, modifying session parameter and invoking services. SIP involve design elements developed for earlier protocol. SIP is based on an HTTP-like request-response transaction model. Each transaction consists of a client request that invokes a particular mode or function on the server and at last one response. SIP use most of the header field encoding rules and status code of HTTP. This provides a readable text-based format for displaying information. SIP also use concepts similar to the recursive and iterative search of DNS. SIP incorporates the use of session description protocol, which defines session content using a set of types similar to those used in MIME. Simple component and protocol. An SIP network can be a view of component defined and two-domain client server and individual network element RFC 3261 define client and server. So this is clients and servers, user agents. Client, we talk about two type of client and servers only in this lecture. A client is a network element that send a SIP request and receives SIP response. Client may or may not interact directly with a human user. User agent, client and proxies are client And now talk about server. A server is a network element that receives request in order to services them and send back response to the request. Example of servers are proxies, user agents, redirect server, and registrars. So this lecture is also going to end, and I want to request you please subscribe our YouTube channel, Storyteller by Behra. So goodbye.